Hey, Chad here, and in this video we'll be talking about product name rebranding and matching domain. So once you have the product, the white label or PLR product, of course one of the first things you want to do is give it your own name. Find something that fits with your general branding, but also fits with your target marketing. All right. So the first thing I do when I'm to look for a new name is make sure that I did my research and that I looked into what I call the power keywords that are used in my specific niche that I am serving. All right, this is really important. So let's see, for example, at the internet marketing niche, but you should do your own research depending on what niche you are marketing to. Really, this is really important because each market, each niche speak a specific language in a way, and there are some trigger words that work best in a certain market rather than another. So in the internet marketing world, I did here a list of what works well, okay? Because what we're going to do is use one or two of those power keywords together with an extra word that will define what we're talking about. Okay, I'll give you some examples so you understand what I mean. So first, let us see here. The first kind of important keywords is what defines a step-by-step formula. So what works well are words like blueprint, formula, system, method, machine. And if you are talking about a step-by-step manual about doing something, we can also use mechanics. Okay, for example, if you are talking about creating a membership site, how to create a membership site, you can call it membership site mechanics or membership mechanics. So what we defined membership as what defines the topic of our info product, or about the topic of a training, and we then added blueprint or formula, or in this case mechanics, membership mechanics, and we see if it's available online. But we'll get to that. First, as I said, it's good to understand what are those power keywords. Another kind of power keyword that works well in the internet marketing niche is related to something that you should discover that is not well known. So words as secret, code, covert, underground, undercover. All right. So you would call maybe underground traffic system. So we have traffic as the main topic, and then we used underground and system. So this is a more of an emotional kind of trigger, while here it talks about a step-by-step system. Okay. Another keyword that really is important is things related to money. So words as money, profit, cash, income, riches. I know that maybe in other niches these words look kind of cheesy, or really not, doesn't seem really good taste to put money everywhere. But here, for the specific niche that we're serving, this works well. Okay, so maybe we're talking about affiliate marketing, and so we'll use affiliate profit blueprint. Okay, so we put affiliate, then we use a couple of keywords of one of those power keywords, and we see if this is available online. Another keyword that's really important is everything related to the fact that people want results fast. So words as instant, rapid, quick, fast, express, hack. Okay, so we, instant PLR formula. So something that, will bring instant results, instant traffic system, so this is, people want really to find solutions and resolve their problems quickly. Now, a word like hack has, has a couple of connotations that works together. So it's really powerful because it's about a secret hack and also about something like a shortcut. So this is one of, is an important power word, but of course you have to know how to use it. And you have to be careful, as I said, at what market you are talking to, because if you are talking to the corporate world, they wouldn't really like the word hack. Okay, because hack in the corporate world is more something related to danger, hacking, data, or things like that. Okay. Another important power word is related to mastery. So authority, mastery, masterclass, classroom, workshop. You know, a place or people that would give you the right information. All right, and or an environment that would give you the right information. That's why also simple words as workshop could be powerful, because it gives the idea that you are together with a group of specialists and they will let you know how to do some stuff. Okay, and finally, another word that is used also is related to the fact that you are doing things online. So words as online, click, internet, web, net could also work. They are not really power words, but they are useful words to use in case you did not find the right combination of words with a matching domain name. All right. So this is really important. Once again, make your research, dig in your niche, and look for the power words. If you are talking about the fitness niche, there are totally other words. Maybe there are things that are you know, similar, like the idea of getting results quickly, like instant, rapid, you know, fast, express, and also blueprint system. This kind of words work, but of course you're not talking about money here. Or also with diets, if you're talking about diets, it's the same. You have, you know, you have to look what really works for the diet market. And if you are talking about a specific market, the paleo diet, for example, make your research and look for those trigger words, those power keywords that you should use when you name your product. Okay, so I hope that was clear. Now I would like to move on and talk about the tools. Once you define your power words, about the tools that will help you find the matching domain names, because the whole idea here is to have to be able to build a brand with a matching domain name that is a .com, so you can really have more authority when you sell your product, but also you'll be able in the future, in case you want to sell your business or sell that specific site, you could sell it together with a powerful domain name. So make your research, do your investment from the start, so you can maximize your return even when you want to look for an exit for a specific product. All right, so let's dig into the tools. I just listed them here. You will have them to download also on the you know, the download area on the right side of the membership here. But I will go into now my browser and give you some examples and show you how I use those tools. All right. So first of all, here, this is, you know, the easiest and simplest site that I use. Let me go here. It's called Instant Domain Search. So this is a simple site that lets you test your ideas quickly. All right. So this is the simplest site. It's not very sophisticated, but is really useful because it quickly gives you an idea of what to look for. So let me just, as an example here, let's say we have this product that is coming with a private label rights. All right. FB cash formula. Okay, it's a really cheesy kind of logo or layout. Will as I said, one of the things we should do is always, you know, change the graphics completely. But now talking about the name of our product, here we want to do a training about how to maximize your cash, how to make money with Facebook. So what we do here, we go back to, we can look into our power words with FB. So maybe here, if I look into the power words and Facebook, we had, their title was FB cash formula. So we can use here FB profit system. All right, this could be an idea. Or FB cash code, or FB income blueprint. So let's try, you know, the FB profit system or FB profit blueprint to see if they're available. All right, so we jump here to instant domain search and we'll type in FB profit system and see if it's available. So here we are. you know, FB profit system, we have straight away, we see that it's available. So what we do, we can copy it and you know, put it somewhere in our I'll just write here. So I know that this maybe you know, it's available, and I will you know, put it in my archive of available domains that I may use. All right, then we go back here and we look for something else. Maybe I said earlier, maybe I want to see if FB cache code is available. All right, so this is not available. You can see who owns it. You can see what other you know, what other options there are, but we want to focus on the .com because these are the one that really are the most you know, authority kind of domains, and this is what people remember. When they remember a domain, they think it's always a .com. All right, so that's the easy way of using you know, this website, instant domain search.com. Now when you want to dig deeper, you maybe want to use a site like, you know, thesaurus.com, because you want to look for you know, some names, some synonyms. For example, you want to look for something instead of income or you know, or money, you want to look for something else. So you would look here and you see you have you know, all kind of names, and maybe something would work. All right, so here there is nothing really. We already had cash, we had profit, but we want to look for something else, and maybe we would find some interesting you know, something that would work. So we just go here and we look for wealth, for example. So this could be interesting. So we could have something called FB wealth blueprint. All right, so this is available. So if we were interested, we copy it and we put it here in our list of domains. Okay, so this is how we go. And once you have a short list, you would make a brainstorming, and you would see you know, what would fit best for your product. Okay, so that's the simple, easy idea of using the power words and the word that would define what you're talking about, the topic. In this case, it's Facebook. Okay, so we for the moment we use two sites. We said we are using instant domain search, and also we use Thesaurus for the help to get some other ideas of words that would work well. So let's now go and make something a little bit more sophisticated using what I call merge words. So this is a very cool tool. It's you have to go to mergewords.com, and what you would do here is you would mix, you know, you would here put FB, and then here maybe, you know, you would talk about like, let's see here, we put income, wealth, money, what else we can put, profit, and what I can add here is cash, okay, and here we would put system, method, blueprint. What else we can put here? Here instead of FB, we can also, maybe you don't want to put necessarily Facebook, you want to put something slightly more generic, so you put social. Okay, and here code, secret, hacks. Okay, so now you did this, and the site is telling you already have 70 combinations. So what I would do here, I would go with this and I would take out the space. I don't want to have any space separating the different combinations. So I just do like that, and I just click on merge, and here we have a list, of 70 combinations that will have to verify that they are available online, that the domain.com is available. So we have FB income system, FB income method, FB income blueprint, FB income code, FB income secret, FB income hacks, and then FB income, then FB wealth system. So it takes, it merges all the possibilities together, and the same with social. So now you have here a list of 70 different kind of product names. I mean, this is really powerful. So what I do, I just copy these. I'm copying everything. And then I would go to a domain that would let me make, a bulk research. Okay, so we have here a domain called dynadot.com, and I'm gonna give you the whole link. So what I do here, I just want the .com. So, and to do my bulk research, take out the other options. I put here all the names, the 70 names, and then I would make my search, and we'll have to wait maybe a few seconds so we see what available domains are there. So I scroll down now, and here we are. So when there is an X, it means this is already taken. When there is here the checkbox, it means this is available. So FB income system is taken, but we have FB income method, FB income blueprint, FB income code, but FB income secret is taken. So I see here, you see there are some things are taken, some others are available. So I choose from the ones that are available. I choose the one I think, I make a short list, and then I would copy it somewhere else, and then I will have the time to think and see which one would fit best. Okay, so you see, this is a really powerful way. I used the combination of the power words together with mergewords.com and a bulk domain research site. Okay, and I got all the options, plenty of options for my product. So this would work with any niche, and would work really with anything you do here. If you are doing rebranding, or if you're just naming a new product, what I told you here is really useful, and it's really powerful. I want to also show you something extra, one more thing. So let's see here, there is another white label software that was out, a few weeks ago. It's called VidInvision. It's a video software that lets you create, basically it lets you package the screen of your video on the sales page. Let me see if I can find here somewhere an example where they show how this works. So basically it's like you have a mock-up, and inside the mock-up you have the video that is running here. So we cannot really see any live example here unless it's on video. I'm sorry. So as I said, basically you get here, this is an example. You have different kind of mock-ups, and what we want to do here is find a domain. We bought this with white label rights, and we want to find a domain that would fit. Okay, so here we have to use the word video or vid. Now the word video is really used everywhere. It's very difficult to find a domain, a free domain available with the word video that would work for us. So my shortcut is to start straight away with vid, and I would go to another online resource, really interesting. It's called leandomainsearch.com, and basically I just put the word vid and I click, and what the software does, it gives me a whole list of possibilities using the word vid. Here there are like 3,000. Okay, now you have to really you have to really go through all of them, but it's interesting because you can find a lot of good ideas, and I'm going to show you these are the domains that are available already. That Vid Consultants is available if you want this. Now in our case it doesn't really work. What we're looking for is something that Let me see if I find something interesting. Using this method, I found like 20 good domains just with the word vid that would fit, not just with this product, the Vid InVision white label rebranding, but with a lot of other stuff. So this is a really powerful website. So for example, Vid Designer is available. This is a cool name. Let me see if I find something else. I remember there were some really good options here. IconVid, this is really cool. It could work. So we already have two ideas that work well. Let me scroll here, and Vid Planner, Vid Promotions, these are good for other ideas of Vid Enterprise. What else we have that would work? Graphic Vid. What else? Let's go down. I know it's taking time, but I'm doing this, in real time with you, but telling you that really now, in a minute, I'm gonna show you a couple of really very good domains that would work very well. All right, let's go here, scroll down. I'm still scrolling. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let me see. Essential Vid, Client Vid, what else we have here? I mean, there are really a lot of ideas that would work for your products related to video. Okay. Let me go down still here. Vid Styles maybe would work. What else we have? Vid Canvas. This is perfect. vidcanvas.com. This is a very nice domain that would work perfectly, for this specific Vid InVision white label product. So here we found it. I wasted 3 minutes with you, but we found something that is really powerful. I mean, I like it so much, I may just go and get it before anybody else gets it after he sees that video, because it's really a fantastic, idea. What else we have here? So we found Vid Canvas. It's really great, but I'm gonna show you if we still find something else. Vid Benefits, Vid Synergy. This is pretty cool. Vid Signal. So Vid Director is cool. So you see, there are really a lot of things that you can do, and just using, this tool, Vid Toolbox, just using this tool, and basically, you just put the word one word, and you have all those options. So this is really a very powerful, tool. Okay, finally, one extra tool. This would give you also, it's called, this extra tool is called brandbucket.com, and this would actually give you ideas for your branding, not just for the name. It gives you available names. Let me see here, if I write Vid Canvas, what I would have. Okay, I just put 2 keywords, and basically what they do, what happens here, that you would get options, not necessarily the same options of available domains. So it gives you ideas. This is for brainstorming, but what I like about it, it gives you also ideas to find the graphic logos to make something similar to what you see here. So this is a fantastic tool. What they do actually is they have already a database of domains, and that are ready for sale together with the logo, but we are using it for our brainstorm purpose. Okay, all right. So you see here Canvasy, Fidono. So there are names that are, domains that are available. There here you have even the price, and it comes with the logo. But we are using it to get inspired and get some ideas for names and also for logos, colors, graphics, and then we would go talk to our graphic designer or go in some places where I will show you where there are good nice icons and graphics and do something interesting or similar. All right, so this is a very good tool for inspiration. So that's it. I hope this was really useful. As I said, it all starts with the power keywords and then using those tools online. Okay, I hope that was useful. If you have questions, once again, click the button that's above, the contact button, and I will answer all your questions. Thank you very much.